What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to talk about finance, business, getting out of the rat race. Let's get into it.
As highly requested, here's some tips on how I make a few extra $1,000s a month on my phone and passively.
So, pretty much I started just writing down the vocabulary, writing down the things that I needed to know about. I started copying the charts, looking up the terms, the times when the market is open in your region. Using a MetaTrader app, you can actually use fake money. So I studied for an hour a day for 30 days before I played with the fake money. And then once I did play with the fake money and it went successful, that's when I started investing my own money. Next question, what do I use to trade? So I use Robinhood. I know there's a few different options that you can use to trade online. You could also use a broker. I've always used Robinhood. I also do have a financial advisor. I recommend, if you are new to this, to have a financial advisor as well. Question number 3, what kind of trader am I? I'm a long-term investor. There is 3 different options, so you can either be a day trader, a swing trader, or a long-term trader. For number 1 option, the day traders, you have to have, I believe, 25,000 capital. So make sure you know your laws, because if not, you will get banned. Number 2, swing trading. So that's holding it over a few days, like a day to 3 days. And then a long-term trader, you can hold it for a year plus, or months or years, dealing with how volatile the market is, because sometimes there's crashes and all of that. I got in at the pandemic, and right at that dip, everything started shooting back up, so I got it at really low prices compared to what the market was. So currently my portfolio is at over 100%, so everything I've invested I have made back entirely, and some. Thankful for that. So you could borrow money, you do pay a fee, like a percentage back on that, and if you lose anything you still have to pay it back. So personally, I chose to start with my own capital and just play with my own money instead of going in debt or possibly losing someone else's money. I would suggest use your own. For you guys that are wondering how much I even started with, I personally put in $1,000 into my Robinhood when I first began. After the first $1,000, it went up about 30%. So I realized, just doing some simple math, that the more capital you invest, the more you're gonna gain. So for example, if you invest $100 and say you're up 100%, you only made $100. But if you want to make thousands of dollars, you should invest thousands of dollars as well. So slowly I started going from 1,000 to 3,000 to 5,000 to 7,000 and etc. So let's check what I'm at. As of today, I am up 121%. So I have made over 5 figures profit. I'm trying to exit the rat race. If you know, you know. Financial freedom is available. If you are interested, you just have to really put your mind to it. By no means did I become successful in this aspect overnight. It definitely took months for it to grow. And this is a year later after I started investing. Timing is huge. For example, I know a lot of people that got into Tesla when it was like about $800, and it's down right now. I got in personally at $300 something, more than doubled in that aspect. Also look into penny stocks. For example, I have a penny stock that I invested $150 in when I first began, and it went up 1,000. So if you could take anything out of this, do your research, diversify, invest into things that you're confident in. Definitely don't just take a risk because you saw something. Usually by the time that it's on the news or a lot of people know about it, it's too late. Write that down! Half of my capital is invested into stocks in the stock market, and another half is invested into crypto. So I made a lot of money with crypto, but it definitely depends, because crypto is a lot more volatile than stocks. For an example, with Doggy or Dodge or whatever you call it, I call it Doggy. I got in at like a cent, and then it boomed to like 60 cents, 70 cents, I believe. That was an amazing profit. Bitcoin, I got in at 17K, and I'm not gonna pull out. I'm hoping that it reaches 100K. Also, quick disclaimer, I just want to throw this out there. By no means am I a financial advisor. This is just my financial advice. Do your own research and definitely be confident before you do any trades with your own money. Nobody wants to lose out on money. We all want to win. Thank you for tuning in. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a like. I hope this helped you guys, and if you would like to know more information, comment down below. And also make sure to subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in, and have a blessed day.